Yo guys, what is up? Dio here, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how much Justice League has been reshooted, how much has been reshot, and I'm going to be telling you whether the parts that were reshot were important or not important, and I'm just going to be talking about the writing of it and how I think Justice League will produce. So apparently the Justice League reshoots are extensive, meaning that they don't affect the movie as much, so they're not important parts of the movie that have been reshot. So Mark Hughes is the superhero news reporter, and he said the reason the Justice League reshoots took so long is because they had to do cast schedule. Zack Snyder actually stepped down from Justice League because of a family tragedy, so Joss Whedon, he took over basically. So they actually confirmed that the reshoots have like tweaked characters, so I don't know what to expect from that. Peter Sciretta from film is saying that they have changed the ending of Justice League to beef up the character of Steppenwolf. They want to make him big, just say. So apparently the Justice League reshoots are going to make the movie a bit lighter, so in my opinion I think this is at the start, doing the reshoots at the start or in the middle, not at the end. That's my opinion only. So altogether, I think like the Justice League movie, not a lot is being reshot. Well, the movie's gonna be like 2.5 hours, just say, and I think only like 1 hour will be reshot, or even half an hour. I don't think they will reshot a lot. I don't think they will have time to reshot a lot as well. But it is the DC universe, and it is like WBTV. I wish they actually left DC because in my opinion, I think they're ruining it. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a like. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.